Hey everyone, it's Keandra here of Jolie Noire. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my nighttime skincare routine. I know that's kind of backwards, being that I've not really shown you a daytime skin routine. I did a couple of years back. I have a daytime skin routine. It's on here somewhere, but I've switched a lot of things up within the past couple years, really within the past couple months. And so, as you can see, compared to, if you've seen the other video, compared to that video, my skin now, the tone, the texture, everything is totally different. And so I have a glow, and it's a natural glow. I need to cleanse my face, and this is how my face looks right now. I do have combination skin, so it's a little oily, but still the glow is there. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my face and then I'll come back. Recently I just saw this video of this esthetician explaining how you should wash your face at home. It's like really careless areas that we really don't get. In your edges, you know, we use like a lot of product, edge control, stuff like that. Get your edges, because a lot of like bacteria build up from products. Skincare and hair care are sitting there. Y'all, getting your skin together, it takes time. And so if you're willing to go on a skincare journey, like any other journey, and stick with it, like, good for you. And be patient with it. And y'all, be patient with everybody else's skin too. It ain't yours. And let their skin adjust to the products and whatever else they're doing. And I said that because a lot of people like to comment and say a lot of things, and you really just don't have to say all that stuff that y'all be saying in the comments. The esthetician mentioned like around this area of your nose, because like a lot of times you have like dry skin in this area. So let me go and rinse this off. I have Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum, and I really love this serum. Actually, I replaced it with Shea Moisture's Vitamin C Serum. And I started using Shea Moisture's Vitamin C Serum during the day, and this is the serum that I use at night. So I'm about to put it on now. I was sent some items from L'Occitane. I really love how those items work for my skin, but because I had this weird reaction to my Solar Wave wand, I'm starting to do red light therapy. So next we're gonna pat this serum into the skin. I'll be 40 in November, and so like really keeping up with the texture of my skin, keeping up with my skin's barrier, like really protecting it. I'm so into that right now because that's important. Like if you do too much, then you know you could really break some things down with your skin's barrier, and then you're, you know, like being counterproductive. But for a couple of days I am putting the red light therapy on pause, and the emulsion serum from L'Occitane, I'm putting that on pause as well. And I'm going to stick with my serum, my toner, and my moisturizer from Clinique. I'm going to stick with that for my evenings and just be like good with that and chill out for a minute, because I really do not want for my skin to mess up trying to do a bunch of things to have this really amazing glow when, like, yeah, you really don't have to use a whole bunch of products to get that. All it takes is consistency, the right products, and yeah, just making sure that you know how to layer each product well. So next we're going in with Clinique's Moisture Surge. Y'all, when I tell you that this is the business. I ain't going back to CeraVe. Nah, I'm gonna put it on now. Oh my gosh, it feels so good on my skin. They say that the first things to age or age you as you get older are your hands and your neck. Can't miss her eyelids, your brow area. And up in here. And then whatever is left, make sure that you put that on your hands. That's, yeah, moisturized skin. So then next I'm gonna go in with NYX's Fat Lip Grip Oil. I am in love with lip oils now. I don't do lip chap anymore. I don't do lip gloss either. I mean, it is like a gloss, but it's more, it's an oil. And so I just take the little dough applicator and put it on my lips. Thank you so much for watching. We love y'all. Bye.